Because of the Coriolis effect, we have 3 rotating wind cells per hemisphere. These cells are called the Hadley cell, the Ferrel cell, and the polar cell. I'll divide each hemisphere into 3 bands to indicate the 3 cells. The Hadley cell is closest to the equator, and as air is heated by the sun, it rises, moves toward the poles at a high altitude, and finally cools enough to fall back to the ground at about 30 degrees north or south. Then it travels toward the equator at ground level. This causes the trade winds, which blow from east to west. The Ferrel cell starts with that air from the Hadley cell coming back to the ground, but it moves along the ground towards the poles. This causes wind that comes from the west, and they're called the westerlies. The polar cell has the same rotation as the Hadley cell, and the winds it produces are called the polar easterlies. All of these winds are called the prevailing winds, and they're very important because they either carry warm or cold air or dry or humid air.